It may not look like it, but it's in there.
Oh, feel that healing beat.
Alright, so I'm missing, well, I'm not missing it, I just didn't grab it from the house, but I got one of the little connecty thingies into my GoPro mount here is not in, so this camera could fall over at any time, but I have faith that it'll be okay. And I put the diff in the car. So we can even rip little shitties, look. Hey look, the mailman's here. I got a surprise for you guys waiting at the house. And I'm going to go get some coffee and start my day. And I'll talk to you guys after I've had coffee. Hello, I'll have a large hot coffee with cream only and a jelly donut, please.
Donut.
Appreciate it. Sweet. I'll be honest with you, she touched my hand a lot. That was weird. So today is surprise car pickup day with your boy, Autofocus Man. We got a tip on OfferUp about a car that is of good pricing, and we're gonna go scoop it up, and then I'm gonna tear it apart and I'm gonna sell all the bits off of it. Kevin decided to go out and help us by getting us the transmission that we need. There's our transmission. He got us a whole damn car. Pot it out and make some money, right? And then if we don't pot it all out, we can just use it as a drift missile. Well, we'll see though. I really don't want to put any money into it because it's a bit of a mess. Like, front end is a little, the front end's a little rough. But I just got it just to get the transmission out of it because it is an 06 350Z. It runs, the engine runs, it's solid. It's only got 60,000 miles on it. But it is bum 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 manual. So now all we really need to do is make the money to get the Collins kit so I can put it in. Rad, right? Getting all of the footage of me pulling the or putting the diff back in is a little bit of a pain in the butt. But it's in there, and it does stuff, so I'm gonna make some future videos of it doing stuff, even though with the automatic trans in there, it kind of soaks up all of the power that the engine has, which isn't a lot to begin with. So there's very limited we can do with it while it's like this. It's like the engine is still, you know, a good strong engine, but the transmission is acting like a rubber band tightening as the engine kind of does its thing, and it loses so much power all the way back. So we can do little things with it, but not much until it's manual, unfortunately. But we're getting there. Baby steps, you know what I'm saying? It's a slow process, you know? Drift car wasn't built in a day, as they say. I had a slight issue with my GoPro. Where I may have or may have not ran it over with an entire car. It's fine though.
But it's alright.
It's fine. The little protective cage that comes with it kind of like protected it. Like, it's a really rigid little chassis. The little plastic cage that came with it took all of these scratches and damage. The actual camera itself is perfectly fine. It's like a brand new camera still, so we're good. We're good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day and a pleasant tomorrow if I don't see you.
You just gotta keep moving forward.
Attack commences in 10 seconds.
3, 2, oh, let's break it.